In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find new users on Google Analytics 4, often referred to as GA4. This guide is perfect for marketers, business owners, or anyone interested in understanding their website's traffic and improving their online presence. Starting off, you'll obviously need to access Google Analytics, so head over to Google's homepage. Once there, you're going to click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will lead you to a selection screen where you'll choose your desired Google account. After selecting your account, enter your password and click on Next to proceed. After successfully logging into your account, look for the Google Apps icon, which is symbolized by a grid of dots, also located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu revealing various Google services. From this array of options, you want to select Google Analytics. Once you're in Google Analytics, you're going to navigate to the Explore section. This can be a bit tricky to locate at first, but look for it in the navigation menu or dashboard, depending on your layout. Now it's time to set up a custom analysis. Click on Blank to start with a fresh slate. This option will provide you a blank canvas, allowing you to define exactly what data you want to analyze without any preconceived filters or metrics. As we're specifically interested in finding new users, you'll then click on the plus icon in the Dimension tab. From the list of dimensions that appear, select Traffic Source, which is crucial for understanding where your website's visitors are coming from. Continuing on this path, you're going to focus even further by clicking on First User Campaign, First User Source / Medium, and First User Source Platform. These options will help isolate the data to only new users, giving you a cleaner, more accurate view of where these users originated from. This step is key for evaluating the success of your marketing campaigns and understanding which platforms are driving new traffic to your site. After selecting these options, confirm your choices by clicking on Confirm. This action essentially applies your selections to the analysis, but we're not quite done yet. To complement our dimensions with corresponding metrics, you'll click on the plus icon under the Metrics tab. Here choose User, and then add active users to your report. These metrics will offer insight into not only how many new users you're attracting, but also how actively these users are engaging with your site. Lastly, confirm your metric selections by clicking on Confirm once more. This action finalizes your custom report, providing you with detailed insights into your website's new users, where they came from, and how they interact with your content. Before we wrap up, a couple of tips to ensure you're getting the most out of your analysis in GA4. First, remember that analyzing website data is an iterative process. Regularly review your reports, adjust your dimensions and metrics as needed, and always look for new insights to act upon. Second, understanding where new users are coming from is crucial, but don't stop there. Dive deeper into their behavior on your site to pinpoint opportunities for improvement in your content, navigation, or user experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now equipped yourself with a powerful analytical approach to identifying and understanding new users on your website through GA4. Whether you're aiming to tweak your marketing strategies, enhance your content, or simply get to know your audience better, these insights are invaluable. Keep experimenting, keep analyzing, and most importantly, keep growing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.